Hello, this is Sean Landers, digital coach for Union County. I want to show you an add-on for Google Sheets called Flippity. So once you get this add-on, when you first use it, it's going to give you all these little templates. What I'm going to be showing you is the actual flashcards, but just because you make a flashcard template doesn't mean you're not going to get access to a lot of other cool things. So go ahead and do a flashcard. I'll go ahead and fill this out for you guys, and then you can go in and make changes and put in your information. So like I said, this is making flashcards. So one side of your flashcard will be one column and the other side the other. And you can actually pick the colors you want. Part of this extension, it's actually going to let it read to you, so you can actually change out languages. So you could do the Spanish side and the English side, however you want to adapt it, but English is the default. And it does some really cool things, like the flag of Argentina, we can actually put in a link to the picture, and then when we look on the card, it'll be that. And same thing, you can actually add YouTube videos where when we flip over, there'll be a video embedded into the card. So really cool thing, and it would be really easy to transfer our information on here. But the stuff that this is going to do for you is going to be amazing. So once that's built, we'll go to our add-on and we'll click, and it'll give us a set of directions. Make sure that we've published and move on. So how to do that, it told you right there. We go to File, Publish to Web, and you'll just simply hit Publish. The nice thing is it doesn't make us copy that over. It's just going to already carry that. So I'm going to go over to Flippity. And I did have an error one time when I clicked the link, it didn't go, but when I went to the Show Short link, it worked. So just in case you ever encounter that, like that right there. Now I got it 2 times. So let's close and reopen that again and see what happens. Flippity. I'll hit the publish button, and then I'm going to do. There we go. I just forgot to hit the button. So here's our first flashcard, the year Columbus discovered, and we'll flip it over, and we should see 1492 is on there. And so let me show you the one. So this one is one that has the video built in. I'll show you what that looks like when you flip it over. We already have our
lithium is the lightest metal.
And we can shuffle our cards, you can flip back and forth, you can actually have it read
the element with atomic number 3.
And so that's a nice little study tool, especially if you have longer passages for some of your struggling reading students. You have that on there. We can get the list and actually have that printed out for us and see what that would be. The practice is really cool because then this is actually letting you type in what should appear on the other side of the card. And if you notice, I'm going to type this in lowercase. It didn't matter. Even though that's listed as upper, it's going to. Now it is going to look for exact spelling and phrasing. And so if we just type in anything else, we get wrong. So once again, you can shuffle, we can refresh and start anew. I can have it ask the other side and fill in. That's a little more difficult. Going to look for the entire phrasing, but here's one of the coolest ones I like is the matching. So I can actually click the 2 pieces that go together to cards and they'll vanish based on that. Now if I get them wrong, it won't go together. Let's see if I see any other ones that match. So you can slowly eliminate each one of these as you go through, and it's a pretty nice little study tool for our students to have. Word cloud, we can actually switch this over. Let's say these were the list of our vocabulary words. It lets us build those up and see those visually. But one of the best things on here is all the extra options you get with more. So let's say I do side 2 is my crossword puzzle. So here are my clues. And then I have to go through and as a teacher we get the option to have those. But we can print these off for our students, and we already have our word search made for us. Sorry, crossword puzzle. There is actually a word search as well. So these are, sorry, I clicked the wrong side of the card, but you can choose the right side and then go through. Now, you can't do this one digitally. I haven't figured out how to, at least. There might be a way, but memory game will match both sides of the card based on what's on there. And so go through and you pick out your cards. Hangman game, same thing, but here's what's really cool. You can actually print a quiz based on this. So side 1 is my prompt, side 2 is my answer. And I have a quiz for my kids to take. So I could have the quiz and then let Flippity be their practice source to go through. So really cool, guys, really handy and really easy to set up. Once I have this made, I mean, I just send this link to my kids and let them practice different things. It's really a neat little way for your kids to work and practice. So definitely worth checking out. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Subscribe to this video. I just had to finish that. Subscribe to this video, click like, let me know. Thank you guys.